What's up everybody, I'm Lockouts, and in this video, we're going to open up and unbox the G513 Carbon from Logitech. Check this out.
Take your mouse and click the button, won't you subscribe to me? Lockouts providing the content that you see. I'm visually stimulating your mind, 1 minute at a time.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and let's show you what the outside of the box looks like. Alright guys, and here's the front of the box. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, so out of that box is a well packaged and nice little black box that it comes in. And inside of this box, when you open it up, this is what it comes unpackaged and looking like inside the very first impression of the keyboard. Now taking it out, nice package design. Inside of that we have extra keycaps that it comes with and a keycap puller. You can see the ASD keys and AEWQ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inside of here, you have a double braided line in the end. 2 USBs. One is going to be for the USB pass-through that is going to be on the top of the keyboard that is right here. So you have 2 different ways to, or another way to connect your mouse with the pass-through or your phone or something like that. And then both of these will connect into your computer. In the box, in the bottom, underneath the keyboard is what is the palm rest and probably the instruction manuals and some other things. And then there is nothing else. That's it. And then in the top, as you can see right here, it has another place for you to be able to unscrew the power plug that's in the keyboard and be able to plug it back into here. So if you didn't want the power on this side of your board, you can move the power over to right here on the board. And again, it has USB 3.0 pass-through with dual USBs right here, so you can plug both of these into the front ports of your computer. And if you do have a wireless dongle for your mouse, it's like this. This dongle then will just plug directly into your keyboard. And you get the USB pass-through support without having to have a extended wire and all that stuff going from your keyboard. Everything will be simplified into the keyboard right here. So it does have adjustable feet that is on the bottom. It looks to be about 1/2 inch of height. And the cable that is on the back of the keyboard feels very, very stiff. Could be because of the way that it was packaged in the boxing, but right here it feels very stiff. And the entire cable itself, it does have a dual USB that's in it, so it is thicker. You can see compared to my fingers how thick the cable actually is. And the reach of it is pretty good. It's over 6 foot, so my arms can span 6 foot. The cable length is definitely 6 foot or better. And then the keyboard itself, you can hear the switches. The switches feel very nice. They're very tactile. All right, guys, now that we got all the lights turned on and everything, you guys can see the presets for the lighting effects that are within the G Hub when you get the keyboard. The first one here is just a fixed, and you can go through the color wheel picker that's right here, and that'll pop up, and you just pick whatever color that you want for each key. And then you have a color cycle, and you can change how fast it reacts for cycling colors. And then you have color wave. And you can change the preset for how fast the wave is right here. And this one is horizontal. You can do a vertical where it'll start at the bottom and go to the top of the keyboard. You could do a center out where it'll start here and go out then. And then you have the center in from here in. I really like the center in one. And I have it set to 2100 milliseconds. And then the next one that you have is breathing, and this one is a fixed color, and you can set it to whatever color you want, again by the color picker wheel, and you can set the timing for how fast it breathes right here. So if you maxed it out, this is how fast it'll go. And then in ripple, 20 milliseconds, I have this one set to, and then you can set your background color. And then it'll ripple different colors through the keyboard. And ripple is every time that you push a key, you can see it. It'll ripple from wherever that you push the key at then. So wherever you hit the key at, it'll ripple from right there. And then you have Starlight. And here you could set however many stars you want. Let's put it on 100 stars. So here's max stars. And you can see right here the timing for it. It's set at the 500 milliseconds. Let's set our background color to red, and let's do let's keep it at a yellow just so we can see everything, how it'll pop up. Or let's do a blue actually so it'll pop better. There we go. And there's the stars. And then you have echo press. So you'll set your echo press to be your background color is red, and then whatever your echo press color is, and then whatever color you push the key, it'll turn that and hold it for 400 or for 4000 milliseconds, and then it'll fade back to the original color. And then you have screen sampler. This one here, you could pick any color that's on your screen. So you pick here, and then you would just go ahead and set up each key per key. So you can do, like the W key right here. I want it to be, this color or whatever. And then you would click it and it would be whatever colors are on your screen. For the audio sampler, this one here is really awesome. I like this one. So you can make this one like dance with, say, if you have Aura Sync like I have that's in my computer, you can get both things to react at the same time to audio. And it's a really nice looking effect if you get everything set up and you get your color schemes all picked out and all that good stuff, right? And then you can go into the advanced settings right here and turn these on. Oops. Flipping mode. Let's do that to that color right there. And you can see everything right now is reacting to the music. Let's change our music up, and here we go. And for the color mode, you can have it fixed. Now you can have it reactive, and it'll dance like this. So as the music is playing, you can see all the keys. And then you have a gradient color. And then you just have your normal fixed colors and all that stuff. And then you have assignments that you could assign each key and remap each key. And then you have a game mode which will disable the Windows key and other function keys and stuff like that for you that is by default. And this is the Logitech G513 Carbon. An awesome keyboard. I definitely recommend it if you guys are going to pick this up.
Take your mouse and click the button, won't you subscribe to me? Lockouts providing the content that you see. I'm visually stimulating your mind, 1 minute at a time.